We'll guide you through how to use Asana for free. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Asana website and click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to create an account. You can sign up with your email or connect using your Google account for easier access. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Asana dashboard. To start creating tasks, click on the New Project button. You'll find this on the left sidebar. Choose Blank Project to customize it as you like, or select a template if you want a structured format. Give your project a name and description, then choose a layout that suits your workflow. You can choose between list, board, calendar, or timeline views. Now, start adding tasks by clicking on the Add Task button within your project. You can name your tasks, set due dates, and assign them to team members if you're working collaboratively. To track progress, head to the Home tab where you can see all your active projects and tasks. Asana also offers a My Tasks section for personal task management. Here, you can prioritize tasks as today, upcoming, or later. For free use, you have access to basic features like task assignment, project views, and due dates. You can also integrate Asana with other tools like Slack or Google Drive for enhanced productivity. Remember that while the free version has limitations on team size and advanced features, it's perfect for individual use or small teams. Explore the Help section for any additional guidance you might need on specific features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.